Hello, friends. Good morning. I'm speaking from India, and I want to say that the unethical conduct that some people are involved into the particular reason of the in Turkey, where the earthquake has happened 6 days before, and right now people are suffering. 33,000 plus people have died, and due to the building collapse and many more. You all have heard the news. My point of anguish and my anxiety for the people who is involved into the theft and robbing the people's assets there. This is very unfortunate situation and very unethical conduct. Whoever involved into this act, they must have to think of the people suffering and their co-citizens they are. How they can do this kind of thing, I cannot understand. Do you don't have any compassion, sympathy for the people? You are robbing the people's asset. When I got the news such type of incident is happening, I'm shocked. Who they are, how they can do such thing. They are your citizens, co-citizens. You don't have any kind of sympathy for them. 100 plus countries are supporting the sufferers who has suffered this chaotic incidents. Very catastrophic. But someone are involved into the unethical conduct of theft. I would urge that they don't have to do this. They have to avoid such kind of thing. You must have to, being as human, you must have to show your compassion for the people and help them to get out of their suffering. Rather, you are exploiting the opportunity, doing theft for the people's asset. I am getting this news consistently since this incident has happened. So for me it is very painful and very unethical. I only can say that whatever I don't have any words, but I would argue and request to those, please help them, those who are suffering, not to ill eyes to their assets and exploit and theft their money, their assets. Please don't do this. Thank you very much.